1972 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ Hardtop Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Numbers matching, 455 V8 underneath the hood, 4-barrel sitting on top of that. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC components are there. The belt was no longer hooked up, but we're going to go with the original AC car in op on the AC at the moment. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front. Get a good look at the bumper, grille, headlight bezels. Great looking front end on these cars. Paint coat of Z, so an original Sundance orange car. White Cordova top. 931 trim, so saddle, bucket seats. Check out the still pictures, and in those still pictures there'll actually be a picture of the window sticker if you want to see exactly how this car came new. And all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Good looking Pontiac wheel, white wall radials. Now, as far as paint condition on this one, there are some spots where we have some touch-up areas. There's also some kind of where you can see the speckles on the hood and the trunk. So is the paint perfect? No. Does it have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. Still be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out and drive it. And you don't see a lot of these anymore, especially the SJs. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's just some imperfections in the paint or touch-ups here or there. Appears that it could be original interior. You can see the bucket seat, center console. Got white vinyl top. And here's kind of what I was talking about on the hood and the trunk lid. It's just kind of those little speckles, touch up here or there. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. There will be a copy of the PHS documents on this car, as well as, like I said, that window sticker. Owner's manuals, check out the still pictures. You're going to see all that pictured. That will go along with the car. Wipers do work. There is an aftermarket stereo that's working. Brakes straight. Brakes are 95% in the front, 80% in the rear. Technician noted fuel gauge doesn't read the most accurate. Had put some fuel in it, and it didn't go all the way up to full. Tires are in good shape, but date coded. It was 2008 or 18. I'll take a look on those and let you know here when we start it up and let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. So tires good shape, but they are older. If you like Grand Prix, no matter what model year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right up our showroom floor. And you can see, driver's side, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, maybe a touch up here or there. Love these door handles. You actually can push this with your thumb and the whole handle pops out. Kind of cool. That warning buzzer seems like I have heard since I was a kid, because guess what? Yes, my father was a GM guy and rode in a lot of these 70s cars with that warning chime. If you could see, power windows over here, also remote mirror. Do have some wear on the seat. Otherwise, the vinyl saddle color seats, seat belts. Headliner looks good. Tilt column would have been an original cruise control car. Let's go ahead and fire up. The number's matching, 455. Pops right off. aftermarket stereo. And then there is a little remote right here, so you'd be able to control it with that. Top of the dash, looking good. Door closes nicely. Wow, nice little rumble coming out of this 455. All right, let me slip up to the front, get the hood open. We're gonna take a peek at that original numbers matching engine. All right, I took a peek at the tires, just so you know, 2018. So again, nice shape, but wanting to let you know the date code on them. So here's the underside of the hood, and there's the original 455. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC, battery disconnect up here for when it's in storage or in between drives. I did mention the AC compressor. Belt has been removed from it, so not operating. Still R12. Letting you know that. So AC would need a little attention. But there you go. 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ Hardtop Coupe. Not one you see every day. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix. When you think of Grand Prix, you don't often think of the early ones. This one, a good example. And in orange with a maybe camel colored interior. Very 1972. Very throwback. This is an automatic on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Model SJ, it says right down here on the center console. We have a stereo from Pioneer mounted under the dash on the right side of the dash. Very nice condition interior. Leather bucket seats. Power windows. The wipers work on this car. That Pioneer radio does work. Antenna, this is one of those from the year where the antenna was a fine wire in your windshield. It gives it a sleek look. You don't have that antenna on the back or the front. It's just built into the window and it works just as well. I don't know why they didn't continue that. That's something to continue. Optional shoulder strap seat belts. I'm currently running with just the lap belt. Nice thump coming out of the exhaust of this car. A smooth runner. Speedometer working. The oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge. That's about 40. The temperature a quarter of the way up from cold, and the fuel gauge reads full. This car is clock equipped on the right side. Corners well, excellent power steering. Pontiac, Buick, and Olds almost always putting power steering in their rides. Our turn signal indicators are working. Find all the pictures of this 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix at UniqueClassicCars.com.